Hello everybody. First of all, thank you to watch my videos, and I'm here today to show you the results of my son M16 Suppressor. I done it myself. Was hard work? No, really. But when you do something like you like, it's enjoyable. So today, I'm very happy to show you how they look like. Wow. Look the connections pipe by pipes. Look the results. How it looks like. And plus, as you can see, here is the original knot on the gun. You can tight, untight with your key. And then you unscrew all the way like normal and original suppressor you buy. They got those threads, the original ones, and I managed to make it with the original one. They come with the gun. You can check on the video how I done it, how I managed to make all the connections and to make them fit the way it is. You can see the tube where they going to. Was a bit work because I used this aluminum tube. I bought it on the any hard stores. Yeah, so they are, let me see, from inside 73 they are 73 millimeters inside. So basically the BB is 6.0. This one is 7.4. 7.4 is the whole inside. If you take one BB, you can see closer. Let me go fully closer. Look the size of the tube. I had this one which I start to make the suppressor, and it is very good, but the thing is they are very tight on the BB itself. The BB go inside, but they go tight. If you look the original one, yeah, this one is the original as you buy. So where is it? Where's the BB? Hold on, I want to get there. Wait. Where is it? Where is the BB? Here. There we go. So you can see the BB. There is a space as well on the original. You know, the tube from inside. There is a space for the BB goes all the way through. Okay. So the most important is one of those for your BB go all the way through. And there is a previous video and explained what the materials I use. This is a normal PVC water pipe, and how I drill, how I made those, lines, how I made it this grip, to hold it for your hand, not slipping, and it works. It works, seriously, very good. This is electric, as I said. I use these two. They are 120, 2000 ml. So there is another things I want to show you guys, is the way compare the one I made it and the one you buy. Look, if we take it the original one and you weight on grams 90 grams. You see that? 90 grams. Let's take the one I done it. You can feel it's a little bit heavy, but it's not that much. Okay. Let's take it. Come on. $200 grams. So it's another 100 grams on top of the original. Doesn't make a big difference. And it's very steady. I'm gonna screw all the way back in, and I will show you I can hold the gun holding just on the suppressor. Look, it's tight, nice, little tight, yeah. Look how good it is. Yeah, perfect. I'm happy with all the results of the suppressor, and they works very good. Actually, I done a couple of experiments, let's say, without and with, and actually it's very precise with. I believe because the barrel, you know, gets longer, because the connections are really precise inside between the suppressor and the gun itself is really good. And the results without and with, because when you put the Tiger with the suppressor, they are more precise, they don't go all over, they go more concentrate in one point with the suppressor. Anyway, there we go. Happy with the results. Not this weekend, the next one we're gonna join one game. Now it's summer here, sunshine is coming out, time to enjoy the games. Thank you to watch, see you next time, and see you in the next video. Thank you.